portfolio strategies at Merrill Lynch Wealth Management. Marianne, great to have you with us. We're used to seeing you behind a plasma with a bunch of charts, so it's a nice change of pace here. Congratulations on your new position. Thank you. 1750 is where you set the S&P 500 target for the year end. That's price there.
Well, look at earnings. They're actually not that bad. And what I really liked about going into earnings season, if you look at the 3-month revision in earnings for the financial sector, they were the strongest in the S&P, and voila, the banks reported really good earnings. And we had the banks breaking out with stronger earnings, and I thought that was a really good sign that the markets could go higher.
Okay, but you also see the markets going higher and gold going higher, and you see a rotation out of bonds.
Well, we at the firm, we've been talking about the great rotation now for 2 years, and now we're starting to see early signs of this starting, right? So with the interest rates backing up, we're starting to see money coming out of the fixed income market, and we're finally seeing money actually now flow back into the equity market. We also changed our asset allocation at the firm. We also increased our equity exposure and reduced our bond exposure.
Just to follow up on the gold question. So you like the miners versus the actual metal. Why is that? I'm long GX still. I'm staying long. I know on the way up they outperform GLD. Why do you like them?
Well, if you actually look at where the gold miners are, they're not that far off from their 2008 lows. And if you really believe the metal's going higher, the most depressed part would be the actual stock. So at this stage, I would rather buy the mining stocks than actually go into gold. We still recommend gold as being a hedge within a portfolio, but then there's the trade-off, and I'd rather go with gold.
I mean, just if you did the one brain cell, and it's a one brain cell, but ultimately people say more risk going on. I don't need to hold gold.
What do you think it's a hedge of? Just out of curiosity, inflation?
Shipping gold as a fourth currency because we don't have a Chinese currency that's in the mix. I think it wears the hat for inflation, and it wears the hat just in case something goes wrong. It's that diversifier, but we don't recommend a lot. Maybe around 2